Welcome to JustMerge, the simple, intuitive way to turn your photos and videos into one seamless story. To get started, tap Add Files. You can select any mix of photos and videos from your device. Drag and drop to rearrange them in any order. Want to merge only certain parts of a video? Just tap a clip, mark the sections you want, and JustMerge will stitch them together smoothly. For photos, you can set exactly how long each one stays on screen. For videos, you can adjust the playback speed, slow things down for dramatic moments, or speed them up for a fun, energetic effect. When you're happy with your creation, tap Export to save your merged video. If you want, you can also add audio. JustMerge automatically loops your track to fit the full length of your video, and you can easily adjust the volume to get the perfect balance between audio and visuals. With JustMerge, you get creative control without the complexity.